Imagine you're trying to build a house. Without a blueprint, it's chaos. You'd have no idea where to start, what materials to buy, or how much to spend. Money management is no different. Ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're constantly chasing your tail, never quite catching up? That's where YNAB comes in. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a powerful tool that helps you take control of your money. It's based on a simple yet effective principle: every dollar has a job. In this video, we're going to dive deep into one of the core functions of YNAB, assigning money. The first step in assigning money in YNAB is to categorize your income and expenses. This involves creating categories that reflect your spending habits. For example, you might have categories for groceries, rent, entertainment, and savings. Once you've categorized your income and expenses, it's time to assign your money. This is where YNAB's unique approach comes into play. Instead of simply tracking your spending, you're actively allocating your funds to specific categories. To assign money, you'll use YNAB's budgeting screen. Here, you'll see a list of your categories, along with the amount of money you've allocated to each one. You can adjust these allocations as needed. One of the key concepts in YNAB is rollover. This means that any money you don't spend in a given month rolls over to the next month. This helps you build up a buffer and avoid unexpected expenses. Another useful feature in YNAB is debt tracking. You can add your debts to your budget and track your progress toward paying them off. This can be a powerful motivator to stay on track with your finances. When assigning money, it's important to be realistic. Don't set unrealistic goals that you're unlikely to achieve. Start small and gradually increase your savings and debt payments over time. Finally, don't be afraid to make adjustments. Life happens, and your financial situation may change. YNAB is flexible enough to accommodate these changes. By following these steps and utilizing YNAB's powerful features, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, every dollar has a job. Give it a job that aligns with your priorities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.